Alright, I'm going to teach you how to add a role using a bot to another member of your server. You have to be admin to do this of your server. We want to use inventor.gg because for some reason no single what you call mainstream bot with like a lot of servers, no single bot has this command. So you want to go to google.com, search for inventor.gg. Then you're going to click on the first link, then go to dashboard, and then log in with your Discord account. I'm already logged in. I already have a bot. Then go back to Google and search for Discord developer portal. Then log in. Go to applications in the top left. Click on new application. Name it anything you want. Create. I'm a human. And then you have your bot. Then go to bot. Yeah, you're gonna have to use your phone for this if you have two-factor authentication enabled, because you want to reset your token. And once you have that, you want to copy your token. Hello, Odd from the future here. I missed one part. You go back to developer portal, to your application, then to bot, and then you turn on presence intent, server members intent, and message content intent. And then you click save changes. You don't need to worry about this. This is not important for now. But this way your bot can actually do stuff in the server. All right, continue. You want to copy your token, go back to Inventor, then click on this one, new bot, or wherever the button for new bot is. I don't know because I'm already logged in. Then click on get started. Next step, next step, next step. They're just explaining to you what I just did. Paste in your bot token, connect bot, and then it's going to connect to the Discord bot. And then what you want to do is invite bot. I'm going to invite it to my testing server. So Odd Evil Kingdom. Stop. Yes, there you go. There you go. And then you're going to go back to inventor.gg. If anything seems unclear, please ask me in the comments because I'm not that good at tutorials yet. You want to go to components, and this is going to get complicated if you don't know how Discord bots or anything in Discord works. So follow me. Then click on this plus or new component. Click on flow. Name it like add rule to user, and then set it to a / command. I'm just going to name this add rule. That's the command name. That's what's going to that's what this is, like add rule. It doesn't show up because you need to synchronize it first, but we're gonna get there. And then you're going to set this to administrator because you don't want anyone with the permission to do this. This is pretty dangerous. And then add a role to a user. This is just for funsies. You're gonna add a command option here, and then set the type to user. I'm just going to name this user to add role to. Required, because who else are you going to add it to? This is needed. Then a role required, role to add to user. Then what you're gonna do is make sure that this is exactly what I have here, otherwise it doesn't work. Then click on add block, click on assign role. You can just type in role at the top, click on it, and then you're going to want to click on insert variable here under server ID, click on / command, and then click on server ID. Then it's going to get the information it got from the / command, aka what server it ran in, the server ID. Then go to user ID, / command, and then you just do user ID because automatically when you mention a user in this option, if you go to the / command, options, and then you can go to user. Don't worry about that. User ID, you're just going to click on insert variable here, click on / command, and then click on user ID. And then on the role ID, again, insert variable / command, and click on role ID. And now it's going to add the role that you mentioned to the user that you mentioned. And you want to give this feedback now. And because this is a / command and the Discord is a little bit impatient with / commands, you want to add defer interaction, which is going to delay the interaction, I think from 3 seconds to 15 minutes. And you're going to set this to true, so nobody can see that something's loading. And then you're going to do, I'm just going to type in embed. You're going to drag embed reply to interaction below everything else. And then you're going to set ephemeral to true, which means it will be only visible to you. And then you're going to add like rule added, and then added. I'm just going to do, so you're going to copy this, and you do that by, you can insert these trigger things, these blue blocks, by clicking on insert variable, then going to slash command, and then using user mention and role mention, which is role mention and user mention. Yeah, that's the entire command. If you want it simple, that's the entire command. If you want more advanced commands and like checking if it actually added the role, then let me know. But just for the short tutorial, I'm just going to keep it like this. Then click on sync command sync to refresh your client. And you're going to refresh the client. Command R or Control R, depending on if you're on Mac OS or Windows. And you're going to want to slash add role to user. I'm just going to add, I don't know, Cage is going to get the role bots. Cage is now a bot, and he did not have the role before. And he doesn't have the role because if you go to your server settings, one very important thing that I forgot to mention is you want to drag your role of the bot that you just created. You want to drag it above everything else, because otherwise everything that's below this role can be added. If I set it like this, then this is the bot role. Junior developer can be added, but developer is higher in the role hierarchy, so it cannot be added by this anything you want bot. So I'm going to add this at the top, and I'm going to add role again. Cage, you saw that he doesn't have the role bots, and now he has the bots role. Thank you for watching.